Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Photos, and in this video I'll show you on how to manage storage on your Google Photo and free up space in your Google Photo. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and then make sure you navigate to your phone settings. So go ahead and click on your phone settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Google right here. Then proceed with your Google name. Proceed with your Google account. Then here we go. Scroll down right here and go ahead and click on data and privacy. Now we are here. Next thing you want to do is scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to content saved from Google services. So go ahead and click on here. Then from this point here, locate your Google Photo. So here we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings right here. So here we go. So what you want to do right here, you have different options right here. So the first option here, original quality, save photos and video with no change to their quality. The second option here say storage saver, store more at slightly reduced quality. What you want to do right here is to switch this to this particular options right here, settings saved. And with that, this is going to compress a lot of photo in your storage, and you are going to save a lot of storage space without deleting any files on your Google Photo. Lastly, go ahead and click on manage storage right here. The next thing you want to do to scroll down right here, if you still have any large photos and videos right here, go ahead and click on it. Then review as many as possible and delete some of the large files that is taking more storage space on your Google Photo from these sections right here. Then go ahead and click on this three slider also. Then here we go. Review as many as possible. If you have anything in your this trash can, click on trash and delete them forever in order to free up storage. Then go ahead and click on the three dots again and review as many as possible videos file you have right here. Then delete unnecessary video files that are taking more storage space on your Google Photo. And with that, you are going to save a lot of storage space in your Google Photo. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.